This y'all niggas, man. I ain't gonna lie, this streaming shit starting to get easy, you feel me? I'm starting to feel like one of them. Like, you know, when you walk out in public, they don't call you by your name no more. Nah, I'm just playing. But look, you know I got my cousin with me, man. He camera shy, I guess. Come on, bro. I had to grab my phone and shit. He didn't look nervous, y'all. Everybody, this Dante, looking at us. He grabbed my phone and shit. Get my dog 80 mil and chill. Got me in the baby chair over here. Man, we got some temu unboxing. Move your head, cuz. Yeah, man. Some of this shit, you know what I'm saying? Flamethrower. We got a, what is it like my cousin said a juicer.
Man, that motherfucker is juicer, bro. This shit is a juicing cup.
But we gonna use it as a blender, you feel me? We gonna see it do what it do. You could put fruit in it.
It's a juice, ice and honey or something, but they made that ice cream. I don't want to get no other ice cream no more.
Straight fruit and honey, that's it. Who would have thought? Who would have thought?
The straw, any flavor you pick, basically just know it's made with real fruit. It's fire.
Fire. So look, yeah, we got a whole bunch of shit. We don't want to spoil it for real, but show them just a little bit.
Spoil it for real.
You know what I'm saying? Don't hold it like that. We say don't hold it like that.
Don't hold it like
Yeah,
that.
don't hold it like that. Yeah,
Go boom boom.
I don't know. Don't hold it like that.
He done got the rocket. Nah.
Don't hold it like that. You feel me?
Dang, bro, we gonna go open it.
I'm just telling you what it say.
Dang.
This one,
He said I can't explain the wood.
and saw. Who y'all think gonna win? I cut that.
Cause this shit was melted shit. This shit melted to death.
You feel me?
Alright, I'm finna show y'all what this is right quick.
Hold on, not right now. He trying to blow nothing. Hold on, wait, why?
See over here trigger happy, man. Alright.
We got a flashlight cause it's supposed to light some shit on fire. So,
Okay.
I'm supposed to see.
We gonna see. Hey, it's getting a little warm though. The crazy thing why he always playing with me. Oh, getting a little warm.
We gonna see. Alright, so Chad. First thing first. First, since we got this blender, we gonna try this bitch out. Everything else we gonna say later. Watch this video, but we gotta try the blender out. Cause my ice gonna melt, you feel me? We got fruit and shit.
I'll get this shit started.
So we finna cocktail that shit on here. We got shots. Show them a little bit. What is that?
Little apple, you know what I'm saying? Little apples and
You see how it's
grapes,
dripping?
strawberries.
That's that pine.
You know what I'm saying? Strawberries and blueberries and shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Little tropical punch twister, man.
Now look, we don't drink. I don't. He do.
Man,
So
I don't drink none of this shit we done got today.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. The store ain't really had shit for real. This like a mango shot,
This shit better, I don't know what the fuck. This shit probably, man.
platinum. I just asked her, can I have some shit?
But I hope this shit don't fuck the drink up.
You ain't gotta pour it in there. I just asked him, can I have some shit to mix to, what's something like a mix of fruit and shit with? This is all she had.
That's bullshit.
Nah, they did show us bullshit. What is this?
No, really would rather I fuck with this mango shot.
We finna see, cause I don't drink at all. At all, so I'm probably finna be.
I don't know, cause that shit say mango, jalapeno, and tequila. We gonna see jalapeno.
Hell no, I did not see that shit.
Wow, I thought it.
Why everybody trying to spice shit all the time?
What the fuck? Come on.
Hey, damn, mix it up, cuz. What you gonna do?
Cause you make your own drink.
I don't know. Go first. You feel me? Don't mind if I do, nigga.
I wanna see you do this first so I can know how you doing on how much watch. Then I'm gonna make mine.
First thing we doing,
I gotta see how this shit come out. Don't water in the
ice in there. Throw the ice. Now, what type of fruit I want? You know, gotta go to pine.
Good old pine.
Gotta
Good
go
old
some
berries.
strawberries.
Good
Gotta
old
go some
berries. Little honeydew. Little honeydew. No, I'm playing. Ain't got no honeydew.
We ain't got no spoon. We ain't got no extra spoon. Well, I'm just gonna push this down. That ain't enough food. Damn, I don't wanna overstuff that all that. We can just blend it.
Yeah, go ahead and get it down first, good. Then go back. You know what I'm saying? Don't overpower it. It's just a little
Twister.
movement, man. Just a little movement was good. Yeah, bro, before I got to it, it was crazy.
Temu.
Let's stir now. Let's stir.
I ain't bringing no spoon in there, which is crazy. Why you ain't got no spoon?
Hey, my food.
No little pine.
How much room you got?
That ain't no little.
What you pick?
Pineapple flavor gonna give me the oopsies.
I may just go with the platinum on his ass.
That's not what I wanted though. You ain't even picked that
I'm trying to be simple. They just some little vodka.
It's Greg Popovich.
They just some little vodka.
What is that?
Extras.
Is this good, Chad? I don't know what that is. Am I?
I say vodka.
It's just she told me it's vodka.
Yes,
Am I fuck, Chad?
Easy fuck, guys. Open that,
Hand sanitizer.
Oh, good. Man, you gonna have to pour it in there and you cook it.
Cause no. Oh, I felt that shit.
Felt it. We'll blend it. I want to see if this little move blender go. That's a to go right there, man. Make a shot to go.
You feel me? See what this shit do.
Let's see.
I don't know what I'm doing.
We sure ain't tried first to see if it even. What you do?
Hey, we cooking now.
You doing something?
Do I hold it?
I don't know. Yeah, change mode. They keep stopping. Go to a different mode.
Shit, they all do.
Is it strong enough or what? Pull it over here so they can see it. It's just blending in.
They just keep stopping though.
What the hell going on, chat? Is it worth it, chat?
He cooking. You hungry? Alright.
Get your water.
Oh my God.
I ain't gonna put that much, man.
You need more ice for real.
Ice. Shit, cooked it up though. Cooked it up though.
Chad.
You ain't even blend the pineapple. What's that in there? That's
That
an
shit-
apple.
Why didn't blend pineapple?
Close it big. Put some
Why
more in
didn't
there.
blend the
put some fruit in there.
It might not be strong enough.
Put some. Nah, no more juice.
You don't think so?
That's some fruit.
Throw some fruit in there. Maybe I should have threw some little berries then.
It's really a juicing cuss. We need to see for the most part. Do you slice up juice? I mean, damn fruit.
Baba Baloo.
Yeah. Baba Baloo, but goddamn it. It do the fruit better. That ice a little strong for it. It's some juice and stuff, man. It turns fruit to juice. I told this nigga, bro. He wasn't listening to a nigga. He trying to make daiquiris and shit with this motherfucker. It says juice and stuff. You supposed to put fruit in this motherfucker, and it's gonna be that fruit right. It makes juice with it. Fruit. Okay, so I fuck with this cup. So if you ever want some juice out of real fruit, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get your watermelon, your strawberry, your pineapple, whatever the hell. You throw that shit in there, blend it up. It's gonna make real juice out of real fruit. I fuck with that. See, I knew that's what it was. Them little that ice and shit. I mean, but as you can see, it is capable of making a little daiquiri blend there. You know what I'm saying? You can throw a little ice in it too, but it's gonna have to be like, don't put no hard ass ice in this motherfucker. Don't make this shit and give it a hard time. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get that ice, at least like some shaved ice or something. I'm saying, give it a chance. Let's see what's going on.
Your shit gonna be, you ain't got no ice. I ain't gonna lie, your shit gonna
Look, bro. Don't worry about mine.
You right. Come to the reach check.
I got ice. That bitch shit tastes good,
I
good.
got boba.
That motherfucker tastes good, good.
Hey girls, I got boba. I got boba. Ain't that what y'all like? Throw some little berries in that bitch. We got boba. Alright, while cousin Ed doing that shit. We finna go to the
My little starter drink. A little scary.
finna go to the video.
I'm scared, y'all. It just say platinum 7 times distilled. Oh, hell.
What do you mean?
I don't know. It sounds scary.
Oh, you talking about the drink? I'm already feeling lightheaded. I'm like, put the fan on.
There a little platinum in there.
Oh, my bad, cuz. They wanna see the platinum. My bad. Show me what your shit look like.
Got a little berry, little apple. You know what I'm saying?
That pineapple might be too
Sounds
big.
like that's
Learn
what
from
turns
me.
it around.
Chop up that pineapple a little bit. Learn from me, cause it's not gonna be that pineapple.
Alright, we'll put that separate.
Yeah, either that or chop it up a little bit, cause that bitch keep stopping.
Put mine over here. I'll put it separate.
So what should we do? Overall rating or each product rating?
We do a rating on these mugs. I'm trying to see what this dagger like first. Get you rated first. Go ahead and do your rating. I'm doing mine.
Just cause I ain't, you feel me, my first time, but I know what it's capable of doing. I know if I whip it up right, it technically is a juicer. It's not a blender. So
I'm gonna do this first.
it is doing its job. But you know, we're gonna see. We're gonna see, cause I don't think he got nothing to stop it. We're gonna see. You don't want no juice in there?
I'm gonna do that next.
Okay.
Come to see what's up. You started it. Alright, man. I ain't gonna put him out when he's on.
No mistake. Maybe it's going.
Yeah. That's good. I might have done it. I might have done it, Chad. Hold on, let me throw my little apples in there now.
You think it'll do it?
Yeah, some gonna do some, cut up a little whatever, cause I need, that's sliced up.
I feel like we need more ice though.
Yeah, I did need more ice though. We did it.
But that's all the soft ice we got. The rest of them bitches that hard as.
We did. And this shit good. Look in there, is it battery low? Now look, now that's what he ain't said. Let's tell us about Chad. The battery
I
don't last
didn't
nothing but
charge
2
it.
drinks.
I ain't charging.
I was about to say the damn drink. Don't see. I'm glad I did that first. Then I could.
I ain't charging y'all. I ain't gonna lie. This kind of it's like unboxing type shit.
It's crazy. I'm glad it did.
I did not charge y'all.
See, I ain't got my apples up. I ain't got no. Yeah. It slices me up. How you do it? We supposed to take this out to the camping trips.
That's
That's
a couple one of them. But you gotta get with the mix with it.
you get the mix right.
Chad, I got a new mic too. You get the picture. Alright, Chad, look. This was this cheap ass microscope thing from temu. We finna see if he gonna do his thing. This the motherfucking wasp nest.
He was gonna burn this motherfucker.
Yeah, my cousin told me it ain't no good idea.
He was trying to burn this bitch down.
What if this shit just...
He started running out that motherfucker.
If I see anything run out this bitch, I'm gone. But some of these don't look pop. So apparently you cut this bitch on. Damn. Oh, it already came on. Now I'm finna see if I can see what that shit look like on here. Damn.
See what the temu scope look like, man.
That's the temu scope. You feel me? Should I break that bitch in half? I wanna see what the back look like, cause like, what is this shit made out of for real?
Leaves, spit. Cause what they making this shit with? These niggas using leaves and spit and shit and dirt.
Leaves and spit. Hell no.
Like, think of that shit.
That's how you make a wasp's nest? It's crazy.
These niggas using leaves and spit.
Alright, let me break that bitch down.
Come on, go ahead.
You want me to do it right there?
Yeah.
Watch your
Got
feet.
to so they can see it.
Watch your feet.
I don't know.
Hey, let me do it this way. Anything run out this bitch is over on everything.
What's that?
What's what?
You ain't looking at it? I'm trying to make sure don't nothing run out on me while I'm holding this motherfucker. Ugh. Look at that.
Are you looking or are you looking at my
I'm looking
glove?
at that, yeah. Nigga, open it back so they can see.
Get your ass on,
What's that black shit right there?
Get your goddamn ass on.
What is that?
What is that?
That is
You got
something.
no tweezers or nothing, nigga?
Oh, he moving.
Man, swear.
yeah.
Oh, hell no. What you mean he moving? What you mean? That nigga coming out here, motherfucker.
Hey,
That nigga still in here living, girl. Cuz in here breathing these hoes. That nigga moving.
hell
Let me see.
no.
Now hold on, let me see. You been in
That
here
nigga
living this whole
moving.
time. Cuz ain't
Hell
cute
no.
shit. That nigga still been in here living, thriving.
Put the light back on.
I
Hell
mean,
no.
where the nigga
Shit.
go? When you start opening it?
In the dark part.
Right there?
It was right here.
No, you said something was moving. Where?
I seen the whole shrimp. You see that? Ain't that a body?
Yeah, eggs, nigga. They bodies should be in each hole.
Nah, that was like a full grown nigga up in there, cuz.
You ain't got nothing to cut this hole open.
Cuz, why would I want to cut it open?
Put the flashlight on it so I can see.
He in there.
Use that other flashlight or something. We gotta open it. We gotta go through it. Now I'm trying to see what's in that hole.
Cuz, I seen that nigga.
Where? You can't fly out, can you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that nigga, that was
See
you
him?
see?
Yeah. That's a whole body right there. You see him? He moving.
Cause you moving that nigga.
No, I'm trying to get him out. You see that nigga leg? Cuz two-stepping in that bitch.
That's a yellow jacket. It's a jacket right there.
Alright, what chassis?
Hold on, I'm trying to keep the light right so I can see if this
No,
nigga
we don't
leg
care.
moving or not. Cause that nigga leg is popping out and shit.
That nigga two-stepping in that bitch.
What the fuck?
See, he fully grown.
Yeah, he was about ready to come out and sting some shit.
Hey, I was put it focus again. I'm trying to let you. Trying to let you see
What
that
the
shit.
fuck? I'm over here dissecting this joint out.
Now do it how we had it.
Nigga, he falling out. Nigga, you put it back on there. That's how you had it on there? Tighten it up.
Alright, just put it on there.
Yeah, alright, tighten. You want to just fall on the ground. Let me go back to the one while you flip them around. I had to. Where his body go? We're gonna toss this body out the damn thing. I had his body out to show them.
He's still in there. Chad, what the hell? I just seen that
That
nigga
ain't lying. That
move.
nigga is moving.
I told you, I'm not tripping.
That nigga coming alive on y'all niggas.
Do you need to cut this down?
Yeah, buddy waking up.
No, you can't see it because
Can't
the
even
glare.
see.
Just show him up there. Put that up there. Just show that up there.
Man, buddy legs starting to move. You can't even see it. He in there.
Show him like this. Flip it like that. Where he at? So I can point him out. Oh, yeah, I know you seen that body move right there. Right there.
But he done came out.
He right there, bro. That nigga, I told you I ain't tripping. I'm finna throw that nigga away.
Look at this nigga, y'all.
That's what.
I done wiggled that nigga out one of these little holes, bro. He over here kicking his leg.
That's what we had to kill, gang. Like, hell no. My nigga wiggling his way around this bitch. Alright, cuz, they see that, tight the bag back up, nigga, before he drop out that bitch.
Cuz in here breathing and shit. Talking about he done killed him. And he got a whole nest full of eggs in his hole.
Show him one more dick, cuz that shit do look crazy. He ready to sting now. See, good, close the bag. What is you doing?
Cuz he waking up.
Now this
like,
nigga interested in it.
I wasn't supposed to be alive right now. He like, bro.
Put it down.
Can't see it.
Show shit like that. This how you zoom in too.
Let me see.
It just be getting blurry.
I'm zooming. So I can see if I can.
It right there. Say you can take a picture, I think, of that nigga. Zoom in like
That
that.
nigga here ready to sting, y'all. But turn it around.
Why you keep moving it? He ready to
He
sting.
ready to sting, nigga.
Uh,
Oh, no, turn the camera
Why you-
around. Here. They can see that. There's juice on this mug.
that is too much light. 'Cause it's big ass How about now? Y'all see him? That's basically him, bro.
I know y'all see that shit.
Bruh.
Oh,
Oh,
hell.
Did you tie the bag?
Yes, nigga.
No, you didn't, bro.
Oh,
You
God, I
just
twisted it up.
Tie the bag.
It
This
him like
nigga's
it's gonna
tweaking.
run out. I twisted it up to where it's closed, bro.
Man, he tweaking. These
That
niggas is
nigga
waking
really-
up, bro.
In here molding them.
Oh
man.
God, I had the bag in here for about a week,
Cause
gang.
they
I'm
been
not
here
gonna
breathing.
lie.
They been in here cooking up in here this
What
all the time.
fuck? Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Good microscope though. I get that bitch about a 7.
Look
He
at
trying to
that
wake his
nigga.
brothers up. Imagine I left this nigga in here and I just come in here and,
And
this,
they all woke up
And
standing
they-
on top of that
they
bitch.
standing on business. Nigga, I'd be so scared.
Ooh.
The fact that this nigga wasn't trying to fuck with it, now he acting
Look
like
at
he
this
Bill,
nigga.
not a science guy, is crazy.
Cause I ain't think that was alive.
Now
in
he
that
all
shit.
in this bitch.
Look
Wow.
at that nigga. Look at him, y'all.
Wow.
I'm finna throw this shit on his ass.
Wow.
Hey, Chad.
Now he
First
interested.
nigga gift anything. I'm finna throw this hoe on his ass.
Nah, don't be gifting shit, man.
This nigga got me for all this talking shit like he didn't want to dissect it.
I did, but I'm saying now he interested.
Now he
in
want
it.
to talk shit about
Now
me
he
for being interested in it.
Now you see why I'm interested in it.
Throw this shit at this nigga, y'all.
Why
Shut
you,
up.
He like, why you keep
Shut
it?
up.
I don't want to touch that. It's made of spit. Nigga, science, nigga.
I'm finna throw this hoe on
Give me
his
this shit.
ass. Oh,
But now he want to take it home like a pet.
juice coming out of it.
Mama, look what I got.
I just don't trust him, Jay. He gonna throw it on me first.
Yeah. Alright, now it's time for this nigga to test out his
Shit,
shit.
that nigga.
But leave that nigga alone. Test that thing out. Get me here, bro. This nigga trying to throw the family on me and shit.
Alright, nigga. Y'all ready?
I'm gonna throw this on.
Already?
Oh, nigga, you gotta test the reading thing out.
Man, I ain't ready. Nigga, you talking about test this out.
Hell no. Did you cut it off? So, Chad, this supposed to be like, really, I got the whole breakdown of what we got for real.
Pero, that thing there, it's really a translator, man. And I can read shit.
A translator / dictionary, like they break it down to you. Like you can scan shit if you don't know what it is. Make any type of language and it'll break it down for you.
Or I can talk to this shit in any type of language and it'll say it out loud back into the language that you put it back in. Like, say I said, I'm talking in Spanish, but I need to hear it in English. It's gonna be that.
Facts. This is what I got so far. Like telescope, microscope, whatever it is, digital microscope, 1986. You feel me? If y'all, to me, it's a little blurry. Alright, so look, I'll do this because I already had it planned out for you.
I just think, yo,
It's probably too little. Scan this.
that's wrong.
Scan this. All the way across.
I don't want to see it.
This-
Really.
See, it says
I
all
want to
type
see
of
it.
shit.
It actually reads that shit that I need to see.
This-
I can read that.
This all it need to do.
I can read that, cuz.
This all, but it's translation,
I wanna
nigga.
scan
It's
some
translation. It's not if you could. There ain't no magnifying glass. This right here. If you read this shit right here, it pass. Digital microscope. Come on now. Digital microscope. That motherfucker says 0. Alright, so I got this shit.
It's how you do it,
Lay it
man.
down though.
Put some in the chat, man.
Okay. Now do the whole thing. See, he ain't even do it right.
Nah, I ain't doing it right.
You see it pop up? Hold on.
I'm doing it
Hold on,
right.
now you do. I ain't gonna do it for you. I just want to show them all the options. You ain't presenting
It's
it.
really a phone.
Look at all these options though.
Go back. Press some shit.
That is light. You feel me? Look at all these options it got. Dictionary, you can speak into it. This is what we doing right here.
It's touch screen.
Facts, touchscreen, and it got Wi-Fi. You feel me? Vocabulary, it break down the word.
Press some shit.
Vocabulary, it even break the word down for you, bro. And you connect it to Wi-Fi, but we ain't got time to do all that right now, cuz you finna scan the word. Alright, let's show him, cuz. Y'all see that? He just finna go across of it and the light finna pop up.
Digital microscope.
You feel me? That's what it say. Now what it say on there? Does it give it in a sentence or some shit on the last
Nah,
time?
it's just put it in Chinese right now.
Alright, so we put it in Chinese. We don't say nothing at the top. Damn, how did I? And when I did it, it put it in a sentence. Like it used an example of it.
Smart with girl.
Nah, it might have been vocabulary. Try vocabulary. Damn, that came in. It's a whole bunch of shit. Nah, it's telling you the types and shit. Yeah, see, nigga, we just unboxed it for real. Alright, man. Trying to scrape that motherfucker.
DLGILM.
Know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta be
Precise.
precise for sure.
Digital lab.
I did.
And look, you know, there's a light that popped up on it. I don't know if y'all can see that shit. When you scanning some shit. You see that? It's a whole light that pop up when you start some shit. But yeah, I get this by cause I ain't played with it for real.
It can read.
Yeah, it can read. If you scanning this shit, it can read like.
I get it.
Yeah, I feel like it'll do what it do. You feel me? Break down the word, put it in the sentence for you. It's just like like I said, just like a little pen. You can connect to your hotspot, and I think that's when it get jiggy. You feel me? All right, Temu, I get this about an 8. Okay, what you give it, girl?
I ain't really got to play with it like I want to.
But so far though,
But it's straight. It can
the thing
read.
about it is we basing it off. Does it do its job? Does it say
It can
what
read.
my nigga said? It can read. So shit, that's what he's supposed to do, right? Temu so far, you know what I'm saying? You put that off. Temu so far, you right there. You feel me? You right there. Everything average. It ain't nothing just stand out. You feel me? Everything basically do what it's supposed to do. All right, so now we on the big guns. This right here, a flashlight supposed to set shit on fire, right? I'm going to let y'all know I tried this shit. This shit get hot. This shit get hot.
It get lukewarm. Ugly.
Nah, lukewarm is crazy. It's supposed to get in the camera. It's supposed to set shit on fire.
Bro, this nigga.
Nah, bro, it don't work though, Chad. Like, let me chill.
It's got a little heat to
It got a little heat to it. You feel me? But I ain't gonna lie. Like, no cap. We finna try it. You feel it on your hand though.
That shit just made me start sweating. Like, turn that bitch off. Oh my god, this is just getting me sweaty.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that shit do get hot though,
This is
Chad.
better than nigga hot.
That shit do get hot.
I mean, I'm burning nigga, but
Now I got the saw, Chad. Now we got the saw. We finna try some shit out.
nigga got a temu saw.
The Temu saw, hand saw. So I'm gonna have my cousin cut a tree outside, and I'm gonna record his ass. But I'm gonna cut this table first to see what it do. Safety first, Chad.
Shit, I'm fucking the fruit up.
Safety first.
My boy went and got this table. Just to cut it in half.
Why you telling me?
I need one of these ugly ass.
Man, I found this bitch off the side of the road.
That nigga cap. I still got the goddamn zip ties to close the legs. I'll leave it on there. What you cutting it off for? You just cut this you worried about the zip ties.
How the fuck I'm gonna get the table off, man? Nigga, if the zip ties is on.
You only cutting the table off? Yeah, don't mess up the table like that. Just cut the legs off.
Nigga, I paid for this bitch. I'm gonna cut whatever the fuck I want. You feel me? I'm gonna cut this bitch right in half, nigga. He think he got him a.
Use the other half.
He think he got him a goddamn.
Yup. Ah, good trade.
No. To the dungeon, alright?
If you don't pick it up
Right here. Nah, you can't pick it up at the hood, bro.
Come on, up here on the put the table up here. Oh.
Yee, we finna see this bitch work, chat. Alright, bro, calm down. He act like we at a bar. We finna slide a nigga off the table and shit, chat. Oh, maybe I do need to get behind. You can't see my face. Then we gonna try that flamethrower, chat.
Then we gonna burn it.
I don't know about burn.
First we gonna cut it in half. Then we gonna use a torch to burn this bitch.
Ah, yeah, cuz cooking. I ain't think of that. I ain't think of that.
Burn this motherfucker with the torch.
First, let's see if it can do the basics.
Come over here. I ain't finna have you throwing wood at me.
Let's see if it can do the basics.
There
Oh,
we go.
yeah.
Get it going now.
Oh, yeah.
My turn.
Cut it out.
Cut a leg off.
What you gonna cut? Nah, hell no.
Cut a leg.
I'm finna cut it in half.
Cut a leg.
Let me just start it, you finish it. This is a hand saw from Temu, y'all. Can you show them how thick this table is for me? It got a little thickness to it, you feel me? Look. Alright.
It ain't no 2x4 or nothing.
Safety. I don't like how the way it's bending like this.
Cut it.
Damn, this bitch is cut in. Damn. This bitch spin.
That motherfucker spit.
Check.
This nigga got a
Temu. Temu, this shit splitting shit.
hands off.
Alright.
I don't even want to play with it.
Alright, now look, I'm finna record this nigga cutting this tree down real quick. I'm finna show you that this motherfucker can really do what it do. Let me grab my phone. I don't know where your phone is, so I can show him. Yeah, look, come on now. That ain't no little tree. You feel me? Hold on. Put it in again, girl. One more again, Jack. One more again.
Look, Chad, this tree right here. This the one I want him to cut. Yeah.
Y'all see that? Man, that's a pretty size. You know what I'm saying? Pretty good for a Temu thing, bro.
Alright, go. Alright, go. It's the bottom.
I'm just saying, focusing.
2 seconds.
Cut that bitch quick, Chad. Cut that bitch quick. Now my nigga finna chop it up, and we finna use this torch gun real quick, see what that bitch talking about.
Watch what it do to the can, though.
Turn shit. They don't even know the can. They just trying to break the egg. Cooking them eggs.
That motherfucker don't melt some shit.
Cooking shit quick. That whole time red. Go straight to ash. Crazy. You know what I'm saying?
But Chad,
That's the Temu feed.
that's the Temu shit, Chad.
But now, because we really got some shit that needs
I ain't gonna
batteries.
lie, we just
Really
getting
need
started.